So this is the starter kit, and the starter kit is gonna come with your instruction card. You scan it here and you'll get instructions downloaded to your phone. Then you're gonna get a small dust bag, and this contains our preservative, which comes with 1 cartridge. Then you're also going to get 1 inflator. And then the large dust bag comes with our pod. There's 3 sizes to the pod: small, medium, large. Each of them is designed to fit right in your shoebox. We have a medium today, which fits up to a size 10. And so on one side it's clear, so you can still see your shoes. On the other side, it has this fabric which helps block from UV sunlight. So after you open everything up, you want to connect the inflator to the cartridge. You want to screw this on, and you want to keep screwing until you hear the seal break. It'll sound like a hissing sound. Keep screwing until you no longer hear it. So it's just stop, and that's how you know the seal is tight and there's no leak or anything coming through. After that, you're going to unzip the bag and place your shoes inside. So I recommend people put toe of the shoe pointed towards each of the valves. Using our Kobe Grinches today. These are size 11, but we're still gonna fit them inside this bag. So we're gonna seal it tight, and this way you know that it is completely sealed shut. Then next you want to unscrew the inlet valve. This is where you inject the preservative into the bag. Open the outlet valve, just a slight full turn should be fine. It's gonna give it enough so that the oxygen moisture inside comes out. You don't have to loosen it up 3 or 4 turns, just 1 to 1.5 turns should be enough. And we're going to connect the inflator to the inlet valve, and you just want to screw it on with your fingers like this. Make sure it's on there tight. And then you want to just let this lever just pull a little bit. You don't have to keep turning the lever, you could just pull it. You hear and see the bag inflate. And then you can press your hand a little bit down on it to hear the oxygen moisture escape. And then you want to close the outlet valve. Then you want to unscrew the inflator. And after that, you can put the cap back in, and then you simply store your shoes. They're ready to be stored, and you can put them back in the box or drop front or wherever you prefer. And we are done.